shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, go to that bag, go to that bag. What's up, guys? It's Alexis, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but your girl is back, okay? Your girl is back. It's a whole new year, 2020. I know, but I'm back. And I know, as you guys read the title down below, I know you guys know your girl got her eyelashes. Your girl got her eyelashes. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I got my eyelashes. Stop playing with me. I ain't got nothing on because they not for me. I didn't order them for me. I ordered them for my customers. But y'all about to see them. Y'all about to see my eyelashes. I don't disappoint because your girl love eyelashes. But you know, before I show you guys my eyelashes, you already know what to do. Subscribe. Like. Comment. If you didn't already subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel because your girl is becoming an entrepreneur. And your girl finna be showing y'all all the good stuff. You know that y'all ladies like. Lip gloss. Speaking of, I need to go get my lip gloss so I can show y'all that too. Y'all about to see all the good stuff. I'm gonna put some pictures too because I took pictures. But I'm gonna go ahead and go get my lip gloss. Your girl back with her eyelashes. Your girl,
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
That's what happens when you do too much. Your girl's back with her lip gloss. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Your girl got her lashes. 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 Lashes.
And y'all about to see these lashes.
Yeah. Open this box.
A few moments later.
The box is open. The box is open. Open. The box is open. The beginning of the box. Look like, my bad. They gave me some eyelashes. Cool. I just keep dropping this box. Like, I'm too excited. I'm gonna open them.
Few inches later.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's get into these eyelashes, baby. They split them up because when I ordered these, I ordered 6 different styles and 5 of each style that I ordered. So let's get into this video. Yeah, see, it came like this. They put the number up there so I know which. They won't show y'all. It's a number up here. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's a number. They put the number of the style that I wanted. First pair. First of all, these eyelashes is a bomb. You hear me? Bomb. Let me show y'all. Hold up. Do y'all see? Do y'all see these? Do y'all see? Do you see? Stop playing. Do you see this? No. You don't see this. I don't think y'all see. I don't think y'all ready. Let me. Oh my God. Stop playing. Let me turn it to the side. I have to take one off because you know what? Stop playing with me. Stop. I'm gonna put it back. Just yeah, I'm gonna cry because I think I should save these for last. With my tweezers because I should. I'm gonna save these for last. I'm gonna save fire, okay? Do y'all hear me when I say I'm gonna have to save these for last too? Because I don't think y'all hear me when I say fire.
Yeah.
Hold up. I showed y'all one pair so far. This is the second pair. I'm about to show y'all. Yeah. Stop. I gotta scoop up. Stop playing with me. Do you see the ends? Stop playing. What? Stop playing. Do you see the ends on it? Stop playing with me. Stop playing. Do you see the ends on these? Wow. Fire. Let me take one off for y'all. I gotta get down to the nitty gritty with y'all. Like, I gotta show y'all, like, I gotta get down to the nitty. Stop playing with me. Do you see the... Let's see the next pair. Oh my God, y'all not ready. That was 2 pairs I showed y'all. This the 3rd pair. This is the 3rd pair. 3rd pair. Look at these. Do y'all see these? Like, stop playing with me. Do y'all see? Do y'all see the wisp on these? Like, do you see them ends? I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off just so you can see it. Do y'all see these? Like, stop it. Do you see? Do you see the wisp on these? Do you see the... yeah. I'm so proud of myself. This the 4th pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. This the 4th pair. 4th pair. Fire. Let me just... I gotta move up. I gotta move up for these. Do y'all see these? Do you see these? Do you... Fire. These is like, what? I gotta give all these eyelashes names because hell no. Hell no. Can y'all imagine these? I'm not. Let me take one off for you though. These not even my favorite ones. Just wait. Wait. Just wait. Did y'all hear that? By the way, I don't own copyrights to any music in the background, so. Ooh. Did I just get a package? Did it just say your package has been delivered? Does that say Fashion Nova on it somewhere up there? I got a pack. I'll be back. Gotta go get my pack. Yeah, I'm so tired of getting packages. I've been getting packages since the beginning of this month. I'm gonna show y'all. This is not a U-Haul. I'm just gonna show y'all what I bought, okay? I'm just gonna show y'all what I bought after I finish showing you my eyelashes and my lip gloss. So, let's get back into these eyelashes though. Stop playing. Wait, before I show y'all. Where my tweezers? Okay. Tell me this not bomb. Tell me these not bomb. You can't tell me that these right here, you can't tell me that these ain't bomb. And they so soft, y'all. Like, they really, really soft. They light. They really light. Like, and I don't like, for me, when I wear eyelashes, I don't like heavy eyelashes. Like, I like them to be dramatic, but I don't like heavy eyelashes. So, when I ordered these, I had to, you know, ask the vendor, like, baby, how thin, how light? Like, I need to know, like, what's you need to let me know what's going on. Like, I probably talked to that lady, like, for a week before I ordered my lashes. The fact that I was so freaking ashy, bruh. Where was my lotion? Nobody was gonna tell me that I was ashy, though? Bye. This is my type right here, but boom, right? Boom, baby, boom, right? Let me show you my favorites. Bruh, stop playing with me. Do you see it? Do you see these? Now, this right here is my favorite. Now, these right here is bomb. Like, I could not get these. Like, what? Do you see? Just, I'm trying to. Because these young so bomb. Like, what the? Detail. Stop. Let's look at the size. Oh my god, I have to take one off. If you watch this video, and you into eyelashes, drop some comments down below. Drop some comments down below and let me know some names. Like, give me some ideas. What y'all think I should name these eyelashes? Like, y'all already know what's going on. Like, give me some names. Let's see what y'all come up with. Comment down below and let me know what I should name these eyelashes for y'all. Like, this ain't for me. It's for y'all. So let me know what I should name these. Look at this. So guys, that's all my eyelashes right here. And like I said, if you guys like eyelashes, comment down below what you think I should name my eyelashes. If you're watching this video and you didn't subscribe, subscribe. Because your girl is in business. Now let me show y'all my lip gloss. This. Don't have a name for that one. This. Which I have a name for. This right here is clear and glittery. This one is called, excuse me. This one is called Fairy Dust. This is Fairy Dust. This right here that I started working on is called Golden Hour. Golden Hour. I did come up with a name for the white one. The white one I had called Snow White. Here, Passion Pink. Passion Pink. This right here is Bubblegum. I actually have Fairy Dust on. It's long lasting. And this one, my favorite lip gloss of them all right here. Unicorn Tears. Unicorn Tears. Stop playing. This my favorite. This does give you like a little pink, but not like a pink to where you can like really see it. Like it's a real light pink and sparkle. As to the clear one, this one. As to that one, ooh, yeah. Oh snap. I think I did Passion Pink, Bubblegum. Yeah, I think I did them all. I have this one. Now, like I said, this was not a try-on haul. It's not a try-on haul, but I'm finna show y'all my Fashion Nova. Let's see what this is. This is On a Daily Seamless Layering Boy Shorts. So they stretch, look. This one size fit all, you know, this shit look like an extra small and your girl thick. So I don't know too much about this, but now your girl got a big package. Let's see what's in here. God. Easy Fashion Nova.
You're weak. I'm you.
Ooh. This is See It, Want It jacket. Oh no guys, this look too big for me. Let's see. Let's see if the girl gotta send this back. I'm gonna have to give this to my sister. No, it looked like it might fit, but it still looks big because you know the girl got big boobs, so it might fit. Let me try it on. I'll be back. Okay, so these are the shorts that I ordered. No, I'm not, you know, insecure about my stretch marks or my rolls, because your girl just thick, she got weight, live with it. Used to suck, but you know what, I gotta deal with it. But, sorry, y'all can see my underwear. They clearly see-through, so sorry about that, but, yeah. And they feel like I don't know, they just supposed to be boy shorts, but they feel like they lifting up my little booty that I got. Like, I feel like it's doing something back there.
Boy, if you don't get
That and it's a little big. It's a little big. Let me see. I know I got big boobs too, which I'm also not insecure about because ain't nothing I can do about that. Okay, I ain't gonna put it all the way up there because that's hot. But I like this. This is cute. It's still just a little, it's big. Like, but this is an extra large. And like, it really, y'all probably can't see, but it got all this space. Like, mad space in here. But I like it though. It's cute. It's not that bad. But look, I like it. Look at this. And it's really soft. And it got the little things right here. These little things. It's cute. But I like it. Oh yeah, it's not bad. And it got the strings right here to make it tighter, I guess. Like, let's see. Just to make it tight like that. But you get it. You get the picture. But I like it. It's cute. It's cute. It's a cute little jacket or whatever. But okay, guys, this is the end of my video. And it's about time for me to go. I gotta go. If you like my eyelashes and if you got names for my eyelashes, just comment down below and put some names for them that you like. Like, give me some ideas. Throw some ideas at me. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what y'all don't like. And we're gonna be straight. And also, make sure you go follow my page. My Instagram for my business is A Boutique Collection. I'm gonna drop it down below so you can see how to spell it. Follow my Instagram. And also follow my personal Instagram at I am just Lexi. IAMJUSTLEXI_. I'm gonna drop it down below so you can see that too. Make sure you go follow my Instagram so you can stay up to date on what's going on with my business.